puppy here. This is sunrise session. As you can see, with the door open, the sun is getting ready to rise. It's July 16th, 2019. I'm over the mountain to St. Louis to see my cardiologist today. When I get home, take a nap, then I gotta get out to the shop and start installing the DROs on my milling machine. Oh, and by the way, I busted a dozen! I've got 13 subscribers. 13! 13 subscribers. I was so excited when I saw that this morning, I almost busted something else. Survey says a metallic fastener with a female thread. Whoa. Well, come on! I couldn't just come out and say I busted a dozen, and I was so excited I busted a nut. Can't say that. Oh, I did. Beautiful looking sunrise, although usually the red sky at morning, sailor take warning. I mean, because the sunrise here is looking more Star Trek than Northern California. I'm going to take a shot. Okay, I just went out and I shot a couple JPEGs, and then I said, hey, I'll get smart and I'll shoot a 20-second clip. And I went like this over the sunrise, show you the purple and orange. Pretty. But then again, red sky at morning, sailor take warning. Well, that's about it for now.